Welcome back. You are now looking at a file structure of a website. And you'll notice that a lot of the files that are on this server begin with WP. And that's because they belong to a WordPress installation. Now you want to be able to recognize a WordPress installation by site because that will help you to be able to analyze some of the websites that you see by looking at the code. So if we scroll up from here, one of the things we're going to notice about this WordPress installation is that we're going to see three folders. We're going to see the WP admin folder, we're going to see the WP content folder, and we're going to see the WP includes folder. If we click inside of the WP content folder, we're going to notice that there are plugins, there are themes, there are upgrades and uploads. In particular, we can look at the theme folder, and we're going to notice whatever themes are available inside of this WordPress installation. If we go back and we go up one level, we can click inside of the plugins. We can then see whatever plugins are going to be available on this particular site. And again, the reason that we want to know how to analyze this is because we'll be able to look at both our competition as well as those to whom we would like to emulate in terms of their web presence. Although you would not be able to see this from the web, you can take a look at the uploads. You'd be able to trace any activity that you would have had on this particular site in terms of things that you have uploaded. Now in the next video, we're going to demonstrate why knowing this is important as you begin to look at the code on other websites. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.